You only get one chance to make a first impression. But why are they so powerful? Think about meeting someone new. In just a moment, they decide what they think of you. A smile, a word, or even your clothes can change everything. Why are these short moments so important? Imagine walking into a room and everyone looks at you. Their eyes notice your face, your style, and how you act. That quick moment can shape how they see you for a long time. When you meet someone, they form an opinion about you in just a few seconds. It happens so fast. Your face, your voice, or the way you stand can tell a story. People might think you're kind, smart, or shy before you even speak. First impressions can open doors or make things harder. How do we make a good one in such a short time? A good impression can make someone want to talk to you again. A bad one might make them walk away. Think about the last time you met someone new. How did you feel? Body language is a big part of first impressions. Standing tall with a smile makes you look friendly and strong. Slouching or looking away might make you seem nervous or bored. Your tone of voice matters too. Speaking clearly and warmly can make people feel comfortable. A loud or shaky voice might make them unsure about you. Small details are important, like a clean shirt or a firm handshake. Even your eyes can show if you're interested or distracted. These things together create a picture of who you are. A good first impression can help you make friends or get a job. But a bad one might make people judge you too quickly. For example, imagine meeting someone for a job interview. If you smile and look them in the eye, they might think you're confident. But if you're looking at your phone, they might think you don't care. Even small things like being on time or saying hello nicely can make a big difference. At the end, the best impression you can make is being yourself. Don't try to be someone else to impress others. Be kind, listen well, and show who you really are. A true smile and honest words help a lot. How do you want people to remember you? Maybe you want them to think you're friendly, helpful, or fun. The best way to leave a good impression is to be real and true. Every time you meet someone, you have a chance to show your best self. Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay. What's one thing you do to make a good first impression?
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more stories like this in the future.